You were saying that you expect the crew to get some sort of briefing as to what information the team might have to share with them when they get back to crew quarters.
Absolutely. I expect that they'll get a preliminary briefing as soon as they get changed out of their flight suits or spacesuits, excuse me, and with just the information that they have. Um, and then they'll set a time for a follow-on briefing. Maybe that will be tonight, maybe it'll be tomorrow. It really depends on the situation. But it's important that the crew is aware of what the issue was and that they understand the steps that were taken, obviously before they attempt another launch.
We've been saying throughout the broadcast that Butch always likes to ask why. I'm sure he'll be very vocal as we make plans for a next launch attempt.
Absolutely, and rightfully so, I think. The great thing is that we have a great team with Boeing and ULA and NASA, and so everybody will come together and talk about the anomaly and what they've done to address it, and then together we'll make a decision. They'll make a decision when it's appropriate to attempt another launch. And so it's really a team effort, and it's important that we have each member of the team looking at those different opportunities and looking at them from each different perspective. And again, we'll also be taking a look at the weather. So a lot of other factors that will roll into it.
From the host desk here, we can see in the distance some of the lights from the convoy making their way past the press site here where we are sitting, which is across the street from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building. And then they will make their way to crew quarters. Nicole, you said again that this was all prepared for and thought of in case this did happen, and we did see very quickly how everyone knew what to do.
Yes, sir. Talking with the Denver team and our team, we're probably going to want to do that troubleshooting that we had come up with on this SRV once we get the pad cleared. So I'd like permission to take that to 6 and get that discussed, get you a recommendation.
Roger, please, community anomaly team, provide a recommendation. I'd estimate at this time it'd be about 30 minutes. We'll be ready to start detanking.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Absolutely. Everything is rehearsed from what we call nominal operations, where everything goes perfectly smooth, to little issues, so that everybody's aware how to troubleshoot those and what their roles and responsibilities are, as well as a scrub, as well as major contingencies. We really practice all of those different scenarios so that the team is prepared. And I think you'll see, or you can recognize today how calm everybody was, and they're executing their procedures. Everybody knows that their role. And quite quickly, we talked about the situation, and Butch and Sonny were informed, a decision was made, and then once they started the scrub process, they were actually outside of the spacecraft quite quickly. So really just a testament to the professionalism and the preparedness that we see from this team. And I think we see the Astro van passing the press site and the VAB right now.
Crew quarters, probably another 10-minute drive from here. This crew flight test, a historic one, only the 6th time that NASA will fly a new crew transportation vehicle.
crew is ready. That's all that really matters. So it's just part of the business. We are literally launching humans into space, and it is rocket science. So it's not easy, and we just appreciate